Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to discuss my research topic effectiveness of performance management system in multinational corporation in the UK. So let's start with the next slide where I'm going to give you the introduction and research aim. So in today fiercely competitive global business environment, multinational corporations operating in the UK face challenges in managing employee performance across diverse cultures and locations. So this research aims to investigate the effectiveness of performance management system in UK based MNCs. So the objectives include evaluating current practice, examining their impact on employee motivations and job satisfaction, and also like identifying factor influencing system efficiency. Let's move to the next slide. So the main research questions concern the state of performance management in MNC multinational companies with UK headquarters. It's aimed to identify the common behavior and strategy used in these companies. So it also seeks to determine how performance management system affect employee performance, considering elements like productivity and work satisfaction and motivation. So this studies looks for best practice that might improve the system efficiency and providing important insights into how effectively optimize performance management techniques in the current UK MNCs. So the main objectives of this research are to be the first conduct a thorough evaluation of the available literatures and performance management system in MNC companies with the emphasis on their difficulties and efficiency. So second goal is to examine existing performance management methods and practice and MNC with UK operation. So the full operations, like the full performance management spectrum from system designs and implementation to continuous assessment is covered in this inquiry. So the research also aims to comprehend how this system affect employee productivity with happiness and motivation, offering insight on the functions as their facilitators or inhabitants in the UK in the conduct of UK based MNCs. Let's move to the next slide. To gain insight performance management practices, this research adopt a mixed method approaches where quantitative data will be gathered through online surveys and providing information on system effectiveness on employee performance. Additionally, semi-structured interview with manager and employees will yield qualitative insight into the factor affecting performance management success. Data analysis will be uh, like uh, data analysis will be internal statics, and it will be involved internal statics and thermostatic analysis. Let's move to the next slides where the this slide will explain the research finding indicates that performance management system positively impact employee development, productivity and understanding. So let's move to the next slide. So in this slide, we are going to moreover, the variation in statistic across different countries are evident, influenced by culture contexts and economic growth. The analysis highlight the significance of goal setting and feedback communicating in optimizing system efficiency. Let's move to the next slide where I'm going to examining the impact on employee motivations and job satisfaction, reveal that performance management system enhance job autonomy, motivations, and satisfaction. Employee feels a great sense of responsibilities and recognitions with their system. Let's move to the next slide. Like where we are in this slide, you are going to know additionally feedback from the employees play a crucial role in improving the system and emphasizing its importance in driving positive outcomes. Let's move to the next slide. So this study conclusion indicates that performance management systems are valuable tools for employee development and productivity in MNC culture context significantly influence system approaches and necessitating adaptation for diverse setting, and also recommendation include like prioritizing employee feedback to enhance system implementation and emphasizing the role of HR analysis and managers like fostering a supportive work environment. Let's move to the next slide. Uh, in this slide, we are going to get through self reflections area for improvement have been identified, such as conducting deeper research before selecting the before selecting the topic and the better time management during the research process. So the valuable lessons learned include the importance of thorough data collection and analysis contributing to meaningful research outcomes. Let's move to the next slide. Where in this slide we are comparing the initial Gantt chart with the final diary reveals the accuracy and the effectiveness of research plan. Any adjustment made during the research journey are discussed and providing insight into how the plan evolved and adapt to the realities of the research process. So let's move to the next slide. So, looking ahead, future research should explore the long-term impact of performance management system on employees' retentions. Further, analyzing the integration of sustainability in MNC performance management. Additionally, investigating the role of big data and business analytics in enhancing this system offers promising avenue for research. Let's move to the next slide. So this section acknowledges the invaluable contribution of individual and organization who supported the research behavior. So the let's move to the next slide. Like the comprehensive bibliography listed all the resources utilized through the research, ensuring transparency and credibility in the study finding on recommendation. Thank you so much.